7 News.
Thank you, Steve. A former judge appears in federal court today admitting he recruited prostitutes for events held by a private nationwide organization.
It's called the Royal Order of Jesters, and it has a local chapter. 7 News reporter Kyla Igo live at federal court tonight with more. Kyla.
Joanna, former state Supreme Court Judge Ronald Tills pleading guilty today in federal court, apologizing and accepting his responsibility for his actions. Former Judge Ronald Tills entering federal court today, pleading guilty to a felony charge of unlawful transportation of a woman over state lines for prostitution, which violates the Mann Act.
He's held other people accountable when he was a judge. Today, he stepped up and took his personal responsibility and accountability.
Tills could now face a prison term of 21 to 27 months in jail if he continues to cooperate with investigators.
The plea agreement allows for a proactive cooperation on his part that will be assessed by the prosecutors in this case and ultimately by Judge Scretany. That will then be factored into the decision as to whether or not the sentence remains at that level or is reduced any further.
His guilty plea was part of a federal investigation of some of the Order of the Jesters members who allegedly hired prostitutes. Tills openly admitted today in court that he recruited a prostitute from a local massage parlor to service the Jesters members. Other members who have also pled guilty include retired Lockport Police Captain John Trowbridge and a former law clerk to Tills.
That possibility, the possibility of incarceration, is devastating for him personally and devastating for his family. But he understands that's a potential consequence.
The former judge will be back in court in January at federal court to get his sentencing. We're live in downtown Buffalo. Kyla Igo.